Welcome back to Smart Living. Today, we're counting down 5 game-changing gadgets. Tired of reaching to the back of the fridge or digging through cluttered snack bags? This 360 degrees rotating divided serving tray is the ultimate organization hack. It's a large-capacity, transparent storage box that lets you see everything at a glance. Whether you're storing fresh fruits in the refrigerator or serving nuts and candies at a party, the smooth rotation makes everything accessible with just a spin. The divided compartments keep your snacks separated and fresh, preventing flavors from mixing. Made from high-quality, food-grade plastic, it's durable and easy to clean. Use it as a lazy Susan for your dining table or a sleek organizer for your pantry. It's elegant, functional, and fits perfectly into any modern home. Say goodbye to messy shelves and hello to effortless snacking. Slice, wash, and drain all in one go. This 3-piece stainless steel set features a professional slicer lid, a washing basin, and a drain basket. It's the perfect space saver for every busy kitchen. Prepare your veggies faster than ever. It's a total space saver. You can slice potatoes and veggies directly into the basin, wash them thoroughly, and then use the built-in drain basket to strain the water instantly. No more messy counters or extra dishes. Say goodbye to messy counters and uneven fruit slices. This circular stainless steel slicer is a creative, labor-saving tool designed for large fruits like watermelons and melons. With one simple downward press, its reinforced blades cut through the fruit to create 12 perfectly uniform wedges instantly. The ergonomic non-slip handles provide the leverage you need to slice with minimal effort. Level up your outdoor cooking with the rolling barbecue grill basket. Made from durable stainless steel wire mesh, this cylindrical basket allows you to grill small foods like shrimp, wings, and diced veggies without them falling through the grates. The unique round design lets you roll the basket on the grill for 360-degree heat exposure, ensuring everything is cooked to perfection with that smoky flavor. It's portable and lightweight, making it the perfect companion for camping trips or backyard barbecues. No more individual flipping, just roll and go. It's heat-resistant, easy to clean, and guarantees a stress-free grilling experience every single time. Removing cores from peppers and melons has never been easier. This portable stainless steel corer features a serrated edge that twists out seeds in seconds. It's a durable, professional-grade tool that keeps your hands clean and your food prep fast. Follow Smart Living for more daily gadget updates. To buy these products, check the purchase links in our bio or description.